bangka.
So can you help me?
Galing dito yun guys, oh.
It's cold and I'm
Nakakatawa sa lugar na to.
Balik natin, balik.
Balik na, ayun.
Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there.
Matubig ang may siya.
Think twice, 'cause it's another day for you.